Danger is everywhere, from raging tornadoes, devastating floods, to terrifying landslides, all captured on camera with stunning realism. Are you ready to witness the destructive power of nature? If you're ready, then join me in this video. Let's go. Look at this. It's a truck, weighing thousands of kilograms, yet it was crushed by the raging floodwaters in just 10 seconds. This lucky guy managed to capture the moment of a landslide right next to a busy road. Thankfully, no one was there. A devastating flood struck the city of Mumbai, India, leaving destruction in its wake. Houses were easily toppled, and the people could only watch helplessly as their belongings were swept away. All they could do was call for help from the authorities. And here is a village perched on a mountainside. This year's heavier-than-usual rainfall triggered a massive landslide. Fortunately, the villagers had been evacuated in time. A sudden storm struck the city of Miami, USA, with winds reaching 120 miles per hour, causing panic among the nearby crowd. People scrambled in all directions, desperately trying to save themselves. Take a look at this intense footage of a tornado sweeping through Harry Street in Wichita, Kansas. It's so terrifying that you won't believe your eyes. Buildings and vehicles were mercilessly destroyed by the raging twister.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Watch as a powerful flash flood tears through a village in Afghanistan in July 2024, leaving widespread devastation in its wake. As you can see, a man is swept away by the powerful floodwaters, struggling desperately to avoid being carried further. Luckily, he managed to pull himself to safety, escaping the danger just in time. Watch as this terrifying flood destroys a house in India. In just a few seconds, the house collapses into the raging waters, breaking apart in an instant. This CCTV footage captures a teacher giving a lecture to students in a classroom when suddenly, a powerful earthquake strikes, throwing the room into chaos. A trailer slams into a storm chaser's car during a powerful tornado, capturing the sheer force and danger of nature's fury. A massive landslide brought tons of soil and rocks tumbling down a hillside, right as a train was passing through. Several carriages were severely damaged, giving the driver an unforgettable and harrowing experience. A massive landslide crashes down with unstoppable force, reshaping the landscape in an instant. rock slide tumbling from a great height creates a truly terrifying spectacle, as massive boulders crash down with unstoppable force. Being right by the water isn't always a good thing at every beach. Sometimes, the waves have a mind of their own. This landslide is slowly but relentlessly swallowing everything in its path, toppling countless trees like they're mere twigs.
This is absolutely incredible.
This storm is so powerful that it flipped massive tankers in mere seconds, showcasing the sheer force of nature's wrath. And that's all I wanted to share today. Thank you for sticking with me until the very end. If you found this video helpful and interesting, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below. Hit that subscribe button to be the first to watch my next videos. See you in the upcoming videos. Stay happy and full of energy.